Tesla is once again shattering every single paradigm in the automotive industry, not just with a new vehicle, but with a machine that builds a machine. We are witnessing a revolution in manufacturing efficiency with the unveiling of the Model 2 production line, a seismic shift that optimizes the entire process, not just for speed, but for unprecedented cost savings. You've heard the rumors, and now we can piece together the vision. They're going for a massive, large-scale installation of all the necessary equipment, beginning right there in Giga, Texas. Elon Musk wasn't kidding when he suggested they just needed to get even bigger casting machines. And now they are pushing the boundaries to a mind-boggling 50,000 tons. With a revealed, aggressive goal of producing a complete Model 2 every single 19 seconds, the critical, burning question for every manufacturer on the planet is this: how can Tesla possibly achieve this kind of blistering speed without completely sacrificing the quality that consumers demand? The answer to that question is being written right now on the factory floor, and we have exclusive information about this groundbreaking new Giga Press and the automated systems that Tesla has rarely revealed. Let's tackle that first shockwave. How does Tesla achieve a 19-second build cycle when industry standards take 3 times longer, sitting closer to a full minute? According to multiple industry leaks, which have surfaced from suppliers down in Mexico and through those telltale early drone shots near Tesla's upcoming Gigafactory sites, the new Model 2 production line is being engineered around an unprecedented level of automation, an integrated system that surpasses even the legendary efficiency of Gigafactory Shanghai. The leaked layout is astonishing, revealing 2 parallel assembly tunnels, each supported by fully synchronized, highly advanced robotic cells. Working in tandem, they are designed to assemble one complete vehicle body every 19 seconds, which projects an output of 189 cars per hour, or well over 1 million units per year, based on assumed 14 operating hours per day, 6 days a week. For perspective, the Toyota Corolla line, often cited as a pinnacle of global efficiency, takes around 57 seconds per vehicle. Tesla's new system aims to literally triple that speed by simultaneously integrating multiple manufacturing steps, completely abandoning the sequential path of welding, stamping, and then painting. The Model 2's core structural frame is assembled using a modular unibody casting concept that requires only 2 truly massive Giga Press molds, one for the entire front section and one for the entire rear. These 2 colossal pieces then simply click into a central battery chassis, a connection completed in mere seconds. This modular, click-fit philosophy has reportedly been in continuous development at Tesla since 2022 under the internal codename Project Redwood. What truly enables this 19-second cycle is the sheer physical scale of the Giga Press machinery involved. While traditional automotive stamping presses operate in a range of 2,000 to 6,000 tons of force, the new Model 2 line requires the 50,000-ton beast, a clamping force almost 6 times higher than their previous generation, representing a fundamental reimagining of die-casting physics. Why does this tremendous tonnage matter so dramatically? Because a larger clamping force allows Tesla to create bigger, far more complex single-piece castings with both thinner walls and more intricate geometries. A 50,000-ton press could theoretically cast structures measuring up to $6.50 feet dollar in length with wall thicknesses as low as 8 cents inches dollar, which are dimensions that would have previously required dozens upon dozens of stamped and welded components. This directly translates to fewer total parts, fewer fasteners, a corresponding reduction in potential failure points, and a colossal cut in overall assembly time. What enables that 19-second pace isn't just faster robots, it is smarter synchronization. Tesla is implementing a next-generation AI-driven conveyor control system internally dubbed Autoline OS, where robotic arms communicate directly with each other, adjusting their movement and torque in milliseconds based on camera and sensor feedback. Early insiders claim the sophisticated system reduces idle time by up to 65% compared to Model 3 line, meaning the entire production line behaves like one single, adaptive organism, not 300 isolated, independent robots, dynamically changing speed and torque depending on how upstream stations are performing. But does this speed necessitate a sacrifice in precision? Not at all. The new line uses laser-guided optical calibration, a sophisticated process that checks over 1,200 reference points on each vehicle in real time, effectively merging quality assurance into production process itself by correcting misalignments as they occur, allowing Tesla to maintain tolerances within a microscopic 22 cents /text millimeters dollar, a benchmark that truly rivals aerospace manufacturing. The final structural game changer is the integration of Giga casting with final assembly. Unlike traditional plants, where these processes are miles apart, Tesla's new layout places the 50,000-ton Giga Presses a mere 150 feet from a main assembly line. Automated vehicles transport the large components while they are still over $300 /circ/text F dollar, utilizing that residual heat for thermal fitting, a technique borrowed from aerospace that ensures incredibly tight tolerances as the parts expand during installation and contract precisely as they cool down. The implications are massive. A 19-second assembly cycle means Tesla could match Toyota's annual Corolla output with just 2 Gigafactories dedicated to Model 2, structurally cheaper because every second saved cuts costs in power, labor, and equipment depreciation, reinforcing Musk's long-standing goal of making a machine that builds a machine more valuable than the car itself. Could you imagine buying a brand new Tesla made in just 19 seconds? Comment Tesla 19 seconds if that blows your mind, and tell us why you want one or not. Now, let's look at the factory floor itself. Why is the unbox process a complete departure from traditional assembly line design? The latest leaks suggest the Model 2 line is radically different in its layout and workflow compared to any other EV or combustion engine assembly plant. Insider sources describe it as an unboxed line, a moniker meaning that the traditional stations with large enclosures, walls, and restrictive barriers are largely gone. Instead, robots and conveyors operate in an open, modular environment, a setup that allows Tesla to minimize transport distances and maximize visibility across the entire line, potentially cutting the internal vehicle transfer time from one stage to another from the typical 7 to 10 minutes down to under 90 seconds. This unbox process fundamentally challenges the design philosophy that has dominated automotive manufacturing since the Model T, which organized production into discrete, isolated stations like the body shop, paint shop, and general assembly. Tesla eliminates these barriers through advanced environmental control applied at the micro level rather than the macro level. Instead of isolating entire buildings, they create localized environmental zones around specific operations, such as high-precision laser welding happening inside portable clean chambers that move with the vehicle, and paint application using highly precise electrostatic deposition in compact.